Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Double N. Yes, before I get started, I always want to say thank you to you all for your support, for watching my videos, for sharing, for the likes. Guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious, quick and easy fried tilapia fish with tomato sauce. Trust me, you are going to love it. Watch to the end and don't go nowhere. See you. So guys, as you can see, I've already marinated the fish and I let it stay for 2 hours. I'm going to share in the description box all what I used to marinate the fish. Okay, yes, I just did a quick video, that's why I didn't show that part. Yes, so as you can see, I'm going to start frying the fish now. So while the fish is frying, I'm going to also start cutting my plantain. Okay, and as you can see, one side of the fish is ready. Yeah, so you just have to like lower your fire so that it won't burn. Okay, because if the fish burn, it's not good, and it's also not nice when the fish is like too dried. As you can see, I have turned the fish, like the first side is cooked, so I turn the other side and also let it fry. Okay, as you can see, the fish is not too dry. So here is my plantain that I have already cut, and I'm going to fry it further, as in later on. So I have my fresh pepper, scotch bonnet pepper there, onions, tomatoes and my garlic. Okay, so now I'm going to start frying. I want to fry the sauce now. So I added oil to the sauce and I'm going to let it hot. After letting it hot, I'm going to add my onions and let it fry for like 30 seconds. And after frying for 30 seconds or 40 seconds, I'm going to add my garlic to it and the other stuff. Okay, so as you can see, my fish is still frying. I have lowered the fire now. Okay, so now I added my garlic to the pot, and I'm also going to let it fry. So after that, I added my scotch bonnet pepper, also known as fresh pepper as well. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes, my already sliced tomatoes. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube to it and turn everything together. As you can see, my fish is out of the pan. Okay, I took the fish out already. Yes, I'm going to show you later on how it looks like. So here are the spices, the ingredients, the stuff that I used: my black pepper, mixed spices, and my chili. Okay, so here is my fish. That's how it looks like. It is not too dried, it is very soft on the inside. Okay, that's how I like my fish to be fried. That's how I like my fried tilapia fish. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the sauce is ready, and that's how the sauce looks like. That's how I prepare this easy and quick, delicious fried tilapia recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, also share this video, share it to your friends, loved ones, and also give this video a thumbs up for me. See you in my next video. Bye for now.